What's up, Internet? This is Skinny at Coburg Nissan. I'm standing in front of my favorite vehicle of all time, a Nissan Maxima. This 2017 is a great find, black on black, SL model. Let's go have a look. All right, guys, let's have a deep look into this 2017 Nissan Maxima. Now, I said it is my favorite vehicle of all time, and I'm not lying to you, and I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, it's a four-door sports sedan, so I can fit my kids in the back. Second of all, 300 horsepower. Yes, 300 horsepower, absolutely phenomenal. Third reason, look at it. It's absolutely stunning. Now, I've worked for BMW, I've driven Audis, I've driven Mercedes. I would arguably say this will compete against their cars, hands down, no problem. A 435 has got nothing on this Maxima. They are absolutely stunning. So like I said, a 3.5 liter V6 engine, 300 horsepower, just a rocket ship. Coming around the back, you can see it's got just absolutely fantastic lines. Maxima has the dual exhaust at the back. This is the SL model, so the SL model has some nice upgraded features, including blind spot warning, which to me, I mean, that's just a convenience feature now. It's not even a safety feature. Just makes for a much more pleasurable drive. Coming around the side, you see those nice alloy wheels. I'm trying to take it slow. There's a lot to talk about. Oh, have a look. I forgot. Look at this floating roof design too. One of Nissan's new cool things that they do in a lot of their vehicles. But it's got that nice raked roof, kind of drags it out of the back, gives it a really sleek look. Coming around the front, look at the headlights. Like, those are just mean looking headlights on it. Got that beautiful V-motion chrome grille at the front. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So let's get to the other part of the vehicle that I love, because this is where the luxury really kind of shines. Let's have a look on the inside and take a peek back here. So you've got the dual panel moonroof. You've got beautiful leather seats in absolutely fantastic condition. Now let's hop in the front. Again, you got that nice big roof, so the front roof will open and slide back also. You got these nice leather heated seats, nice big bolsters. Another thing I like about the Maxima is you have this adjustable thigh support here, so if you got longer legs or shorter legs, that'll come in and out to get you comfy. Power seats, of course. And then over here, you've got your heated steering wheel, which is kind of a must in the wintertime, right? Steering wheel gets nice and warm. And now, as I mentioned the steering wheel, have a look, because it is a D-shaped steering wheel. So you've got a flat bottom wheel, which is very nice for driving. You don't know how nice that feels until you really kind of get in and get your hands on it. And then you'll see, like, it's something else to drive with. So sitting inside the Maxima, having a look around, you can see that the interior is absolutely flawless. They've got beautiful stitching, even on the door panels here. You've got that nice brushed aluminum look going around the cockpit. And I say cockpit, and I tell you why, because this screen here is tilted towards the driver about 12 degrees. And that little tilt that they put on it really gives it a cockpit feel. So when you're sitting here with all of this just a little bit on a slant, it's just that much nicer than having that flat dash that so many other manufacturers do. Going around here, give you another look at that D steering wheel. And then I want to show you where the blind spot warning system is. So it's right up top here. And the reason why Nissan puts it on the inside of the car, there's the light there, is simply because if it's out on your mirror and it gets muddy or wet or foggy or slushed up or whatever the case, you're not gonna be able to see it. So we put it on the inside of the car. And you might have noticed below that blind spot warning was the Bose tweeter. So this is a Bose stereo system in the Maxima. Great sound system. Let me take you through some of the cool features here. So on the steering wheel, you've got your radio controls, your Bluetooth controls, and your cruise controls like normal. But another thing that you have is right up here, you've got this beautiful big screen, and this is the advanced driver display system. So you can see here, it's giving you your compass and your speedometer right now. You can flip through to your radio, your compass, your driving information. So it's got a whack of information available for you right down here in the dash that you can flip through. And the idea with that is if it's here, you can still pay attention to the road while you're going through the settings, rather than trying to fumble around with it here on the much larger screen over here. Now, another thing that the 17 Maxima SL has is it has the adaptive cruise control. And what that means is simply when you're driving on the road with cruise control on, if one of the vehicles in front of you is driving slower, your Maxima will slow down to the speed, match it, stay safe distance behind it. Once that car moves out of the way, it will go back up to the regular cruising speed that you had set before. So another really nice convenience feature if you're a highway driver. Now moving over to this beautiful screen here. So this screen can be operated with the buttons that you see here on the left and the right, and the touch screen buttons here, or you also have this beautiful joystick down here, which is kind of like BMW's iDrive. Yes, they stole it from BMW. Why not? I mean, that's the main competitor on this vehicle. So you can use it like a joystick going left, right, up, and down. So we'll go back to the menu. You can see here, now you can flip through all the different menus right from the joystick, which is super convenient, very handy. Or you can slide through it here just like a tablet. So it's got that kind of slide feature, very easy to use, super intuitive. And you can actually change all these icons here. You can change them to whatever you like with regards to navigation or Bluetooth or audio, whatever it is. You can change all those icons just like you would on an iPad or your cell phone, where you can move icons around. The same thing with this. Let's have a look at the navigation system, because yes, this SL Rogue does have navigation, and it has Bluetooth streaming from your phone, and it's got Sirius XM satellite radio with a Bose stereo system. It is so handsomely equipped. You're going to absolutely love driving the vehicle. And another safety feature we have, of course, would be a rear view monitor, so when you're backing up, you don't run over your kiddie's bikes. Sliding down the display, you have the dual zone climate control, so you have driver and passenger independent temperatures, which is nice for the he said, she said, hot, cold kind of debate. A push button start, and it does have remote starter as well, guys. So it's an intelligent remote starter. And what that means is in the wintertime, it is going to turn on your heated seats, and it's also going to turn on your heated steering wheel. So it will get everything nice and warm in the wintertime. When you jump in the car, it goes back to the settings you left it at. Now, having a look here, you've got 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port, kind of a must-have nowadays. Keep your cell phone and whatever electronics you want charged up. And it just, I got caught there. What was I going to say? Keep everything charged up. Yes, let's just keep it all charged. Give you a better look at these seats again, in fantastic shape. All right, and then in the glove box here, you've got some more junk holders and stuff like that. Now you'll notice down here that you have a normal and a sport mode button. Sport mode is simply that. It's going to unlock all 300 horses, and it gives you this kind of cool sport display. Oh, just missed it. Gives you the sport display in the steering wheel as well, which will show you, get to it here, there we go. It kind of gives you some different readings on the vehicle too. So sport mode is super fun to drive with, or you can just flip it and go back to normal driving mode. But both are fantastic when you're talking about a 4-door sports sedan like we have here. All right, guys, my name is Skinny. I love working at Coburg Nissan, and you're going to love buying here. And if you can't tell, I absolutely love the Maxima. The only thing I can't show you on this video is how amazing it drives. You really have to come here, take it out for a spin. It is just a joy. It's got great power, but the suspension's nice and soft, but it can take a corner. It is truly the ultimate 4-door sports sedan. So if you're thinking about a Maxima and you're considering some other vehicles, come and drive it first. It will knock your socks off. For sure, the sell is in the drive. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions on this or anything else that we have in stock, give us a call, send us an email, or come down and visit us. We will take care of all your needs. And we do have free shipping practically right across Ontario. So if you're interested in that, give us a call. We can give you all the details and how we can put this Maxima in your driveway. Even if you're shopping from Kingston or Niagara or Mississauga or Barrie, wherever you are, I'm sure we can get this car to your driveway for you. Even if you have a trade-in, we are equipped to handle all those situations for you, just for the comfort and convenience. So shop from your home and love our experience. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.